this creature of mine. Molly. And Luke is up here too. My cats aren't allowed on the counters. But she thinks because they're son, she's allowed. Here's my other one, okay? I have not turned on Golden's tank. But somehow the light is on. I seriously think the cats are doing it. I know you're hungry. Give me a minute, Golden. He talks so much. Where are you going? Just wondering when he's gonna put something else up. No, that's definitely an accident because there's an ambulance and tow trucks. Kelly?
I want you done this over here. Ah!
Can you say that one more time?
Doing that.
Say, do you want to go to the beach tomorrow with me?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta ask them that. Ask Aunt Moo that.
Okay.
Ask her.
I go to the beach, Mama. I go to the beach.
Yo, it's business day. I gotta get stickers done. I just plugged in my iPad. I gotta get shirts made, which I don't even have a shirt anymore. Where are my prints? Up here. And of course I gotta order some more prints too. So I gotta go get some shirts because Brian said he's got 2 more paid for, and I have to go take those to him. I gotta make, I think, two stickers for the race car. And of course, these are race car colors, and I'm practically out. So, and I gotta make a few other stickers too. But we about to head out. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna press next. It says load map, press and go. Okay, here's the press and go button. Your cut has completed. Did you see it do anything? Look, it's finally doing something. Fucking asshole.
With that stat.
So today, somebody was giving away a whole bunch of free wood. We went and fetched it. And we came home and built something.
Feels pretty good.
It's my chair. It's a big old chair, too.
It holds cups, cigarettes, phone.
So now, he's been sitting in it. He wants his own. That's where we broke the glass at, was right in here. Yeah, down there. No? It broke down, so now they're having to push it. They're pretty far from us. go. You at them?
That happened to me too. As soon as I turned
They made it back.